Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will inaugurate a biorefinery which will convert bamboo to ethanol. 2G ethanol. Bamboo will be converted to 2G ethanol, and in the process, various other chemicals will be derived as a value-added product. Will be inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in Numaligarh. The plan has been established at a cost of 4,200 crores. Thereafter, he will come to Mangoldoi and he will lay the foundation stone for the ring road of Guwahati, a new bridge over river Brahmaputra connecting Purua and Narengi, and he will also lay the foundation stone for the Doron Medical College. Thereafter, he will come to Guwahati and he will participate in the Bhupen Hazarika Birth Centenary Program organized by the state of Assam. भारत के माननीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी 29 अगस्त को गुवाहाटी आएगा। सुबह हमने असम के राजभवन, एक नया राजभवन का निर्माण किया है। उनका